Hi Rajat, hi Anvia. Let's wait for more 5 to 6 minutes and then we can start.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So we are going to start. So hi Rajat, I'm Nikhil. So we will start our session. So first thing, a basic question. So am I audible to you? Clear?
Yeah, you audible, sir. Yeah,
Okay,
well, do.
okay, no worries. So we'll start our session. So Rajat, before starting, so do you have any exposure or before this session, you ever heard about what is BI or what is business intelligence? Anything, any
Yeah,
means any?
several times I have heard about it, and
Okay.
through the various
So
advertisements. Yeah,
so can you just guide me about bit of about yourself? So are you student? Are you working something?
yeah, yes, yes. Yes, sir, I did complete my graduation in the year 2017, and since then I'm working as an accountant in RSPO, that particularly is in Kanpur, Kanpur company. So,
Okay.
and right
Okay.
now I'm just looking forward to just to have a switch in the data analytics domain. So that's why.
So
So,
yeah. So I'll just share you about my details. So basically, I'm Nikhil. So I'm working with Power BI from last 3 to 4 years. So basically, I have worked on various BI tools such as Power BI, Tableau, Bold BI, bit of ClickSense. So that is all about business intelligence. And apart from that, I have worked on various technologies such as SQL, various flavors of SQL. Flavors means there are various variations in SQL such as MS SQL Server, MySQL, Postgre, and various. So I've worked on that. So I have good exposure towards BI and what is the requirement, what is the market scenario. And
yeah, yeah.
this
Okay.
session is to you to get aware of what is BI, what you will be going to get, what types of learning you are going to get in these sessions. So this is you can say you'll
So,
getting the
sir,
good.
one question. One question,
Yeah,
sir. Sir, I'm from the non-tech background. So, can I
yeah,
have the switch into the
yeah,
tech?
I'll clear everything. So means basically you can ask me any question at any point of time while I'm saying. You can just stop me in between and
Okay.
you can just
Okay.
ask me. So basically, I'll come to that point. So so I am also from non-tech background, so I'll just brief you about my education as well. So I studied from Pune University, and I'm completely from non-tech background. So my degree is into microbiology. So by degree, I'm a microbiologist, but I'm working for last 4 years with Microsoft Power BI and various tools which is used in BI world today, and I'm working as a data analyst over there. So that's also if I can work, so you can also work over there. So I'll just share you about my screen, and once it's visible, you can just let me know.
Uh, uh, with which company you are working, sir, right now?
Sorry.
With which company you are? You are in which
So
company?
that I yeah, so I'll share that my LinkedIn, and you can just follow me over there, so you
Okay.
get good idea where I'm currently working and what's the. So my screen is visible to you.
Not, not now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
right now.
this is our, yeah, this is our curriculum. So we'll teaching you all of these things. So we'll teach you about mock interviews, Naukri LinkedIn profile, resume building, and close how to explain your projects. This is the first key thing you will be getting, and telling about the Power BI. So Power BI is the two business intelligence tools which is backed by or developed by Microsoft. So
Mm.
Microsoft, one of the leading, you can say, player into the BI industry. There are various more BI tools in the market such as Tableau, ClickSense, Bold BI, Dundas BI, and various more. There are various sites, but there are two major, you can say two or three major tools in the market which are currently is into BI, or you can say having major market shares working into BI domains such as Tableau and Power BI are the major players. So we'll be talking about Microsoft Power BI.
Okay.
So I'll share you this curriculum over there, and the team will connect with you, and they will share you this, and you can just search it. So uh, before that, so in do you have any idea why BI is required and what is the requirement of BI.
For the preparation of the dashboard, we require BI. So in order that we can just uh,
Yeah,
perform the data analysis.
yeah. So my screen is visible.
Yes, 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 yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So you, as you can see in this sheet, so this is readable or this is understandable.
Yes, yes, it is correct.
Yeah, this is readable. So if this is understandable, easy to understand, or this is better to understand, option
Yeah, I
one
can
or
read.
option
I
two.
can read.
No, no, I am not asking. So basically, if I will ask you, can you analyze this Excel sheet and give me some quick summary? So that's easy.
But the
Or
Excel sheet is not visible, sir. So I'm not able to
yeah,
see that.
yeah. So what I'm saying, so to analyze large amount of data, it's very difficult to analyze this uh, Excel sheet once in a while or
Okay.
quick to understand. It will take some time, and then you can
Mm-hmm.
understand what is the key insights in this Excel data are present. Or if you will look into this dashboard screenshot, or you can say image, so it's easy to understand what is major key highlights or what is the key insights which are provided by
So right
this
now, what I
data.
can see on my screen is the curriculum only, nothing else.
Sorry, okay.
Yeah. I think you may be sharing some screen. I'm not able to.
Yeah, I'll check again. So I'm asking, so now my screen is visible.
Yeah, yeah, sir. No. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm asking, uh, can you analyze this Excel sheet in quick 5 to 10 minutes or 20 minutes of time? What key insights are present inside this Excel sheet?
No, sir, no. So in order to just uh, analyze this
Yeah,
thing of that, we have to go with the dashboard.
yeah. So it's easy to create dashboards in Power BI, and you can analyze quick data, and you can work through various complex calculations and extract key insights from your data using Power BI and various BI tools. So what we are going to learn in this sessions. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll show you a few more examples what we can create into Power BI and what are the various types of dashboards you can see through this image. So this is the finance dashboard. This is the recruitment analysis. So this is the HR domain dashboard.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the hospital analysis dashboard. So we can create various dashboards into various domain via connecting various data sources such as SQL, big data, Excel, or APIs. So there are various formats we can connect with Power BI, and we can work through and create interactive dashboards where business users can understand their what key insights are present in the data, and what business decision they can make with their data. So basically business intelligence is used for making decisions via data driven decision you can make easily through these dashboards. So I'll show you some live dashboards as well. So this is the census data dashboard which is created to analyze what is the census of India. So as you can see the map of India, so once you will you can see the highest population, largest female population. If you can hover over it, so you can see more analysis. So this is the interactive dashboard. This type
Mm-hmm.
of dashboard you can be easily create into Power BI. Apart from this, I'll show you more functionality. So this is the you can analyze via data percentage and this visualization. So for example, where is the color lighter? There is a less data is available for now. You can understand via this, and where is the darker region? There is the higher number of the data present.
Okay.
And apart from this, if you can create various types of data modeling, and as well as you can clean your data, modify your data as per your need. So this is the one type of dashboard, and I'll show you another one as well.
Right now, sir, the dashboards are getting prepared by the Chat GPT and the AI also. So will that be having any adverse effect in the upcoming job market for Power BI?
So basically, as far I know, so ChatGPT can provide you some prompts for calculating any measures, or you can say the calculation provide. So apart from that, there is no such thing. Means basically, I saw that ChatGPT can make dashboards into Power BI that can help you to guide. So how to create dashboard? That can provide you the summary, but I don't think that will hamper. Means basically entirely AI can make, as far as till date, AI cannot make 100% of dashboard as per the business requirements. Just because of there are various concerns. So for example, if you are uploading your data to ChatGPT, so there is no privacy to your data, right?
Hmm.
So
Hmm. Yes,
no
sir.
business or no one will upload their data to ChatGPT to make complete dashboard, and that's not possible yet into at least ChatGPT or BART. Just because they are generative AI, they can provide textual format, and Power BI requires some more functional use.
Hmm.
So in future,
So
if there is some AI tool, so that I cannot predict, but right now these two tools are not means you can say 100% functional to create a dashboard.
okay.
Yeah.
So that wouldn't hamper the job market in the upcoming near future. So
So, for example, near future you cannot predict. So the technology is evolving day to every day. So something in morning there is not Discord, but in the evening you get news that this is Discord. So that I cannot predict, but surely next 4 to 5 years AI can make your life easier, but you cannot predict what will be the future. But right now it's a booming into the market, and BI is the leading part into data analytics
yeah,
field.
that's true. That's true, sir. But like, what is the sir, present job market in the like
Job market in which
after
sense?
the
So
completion of this program?
yeah.
So, will I get the number of opportunities that available in the market by then?
So basically, if you are proficient into this BI technology, so you will easily target the jobs of like research analyst, market research analyst, Power BI developer, BI developer, reporting analyst, BI analyst. Apart from that, various roles such as reporting data analyst. These are various jobs you can target with this, and apart from that,
So
you
the present job market is stable.
yeah,
In
present
this,
job market is stable. So basically, you have various opportunities you can get into the market. One thing required: what's your proficiency and how you explain your projects, so that we will also going to teach in this curriculum, and your projects will define,
and
and
sir,
that will be.
besides the Power BI, do I have to go with the SQL also?
Sorry.
Beside Power BI, beside learning the Power BI, so do I have to go with the SQL also with that, along with that?
So SQL knowledge will be the plus for you. So for example, if someone has only Power BI knowledge and if someone has SQL knowledge, so that is big plus for you. So you can have more opportunities over there. So basically, for learning Power BI, there is no requirement of SQL. There is other functions such as DAX, which is used in Power BI to write complex to calculated columns as per the business needs. So that extract as per this example, this is the one of example I'll show you, which is used in Power BI. So this is the calculation which is written to extract some insights over there. So this is the DAX which is used in Power BI to calculate uh,
Mhm.
values, or you can say insights, using your data. So I'll show you one more. So this is the DAX. There are various functions into DAX, such as calculating as per date functions. So if you need sales for last 6 months, 12 months, you can easily calculate by using DAX, or top
So, sir,
10 products, top 5 products.
Dax is different to the Mashable, or is it same?
So basically, behind this, the logic is SQL, but the typing, or you can say function, is more related towards Excel. So if you have basic understanding of Excel, that will be easier to you to write a DAX.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, sir.
yeah. So I'll show you the curriculum as well.
So, sir, the Power
So
BI plus SQL, that will be sufficient. Or maybe any other
yeah,
thing, any other program I have to go with along with that tool.
yeah, that is sufficient for earlier. So once you will get into the job, so that will be the depending upon your job role, what's your organization needs, what is the business requirement at that time. So that may
Mhm.
differ, but that's enough. You can get jobs if you have good proficiency in these tools.
The SQL and the Power BI both. Huh?
Yes, yes,
Okay, okay.
yeah. So as you can read, we will go with seven, 9 modules in
Mm-hmm.
this whole things. So first module will be including what is the history, what are the key features, what are the key types, what is the installation, and what are the prerequisite for getting started with Power BI. And second module will be explaining you a key and important theoretical concepts which is majorly used into organization and key features that is required. So basically, if you have knowledge of what are the three different licenses, such as, if you can read this second point I'm highlighting, so that will help you, so basically, to understand and show in your organization that you have not only knowledge of Power BI dashboard development. Apart from that, you have outer knowledge of Power BI. What is the prerequisite? What are other types? And what are the other data connections supported in this? So we'll be learning into that second module. And third module, we will be learning the most important part, which is data preparation. So for example, if your data has some uh, irrelevant or blanks or any errors, so we will be learning that how to remove that, how to clean data to make into use of dashboard development, and what are the key errors you will get while cleaning data. So such as if data transformation and extracting, so for you need some calculating columns. And so for example, I'll give you one example. If I tell you, so there are data of sales, for example, and that is asking, so for example, uh, there is one store, and that store is of working of 24 hours. So someday your manager asks you, get me the data of day shift and night shift. So you can create calculate column for sales of day shift and night shift. So that will be learning into third module, which is data preparation. And fourth module is creating data models. So for example, you are not going to work in real life scenarios or in this sessions with only one data set. In real life business scenarios there are multiple data sets, multiple or various types of data sets. So for example, one data is coming from Excel and second data may come with other source such as SQL. So you'll be going to learn how to connect those data, what is primary, secondary, foreign keys, what is data model, how to build relationships. So for example, that relationship means how to connect one data with other data, what is star schema, what is snowflake schema, so that these things, and what is preferable in which data scenarios. So for example, as you can see, there is star schema versus snowflake schema versus galaxy schema, advantages and disadvantages. So we have to
So can
understand
you
what
just forward
schema.
the curriculum to me on WhatsApp so I can just go with both of it
Yeah, I'll
easily?
provide this to the team and team will reach out to you. So they will share with you. Yeah. After
Okay.
this module 5, so once you will be cleaning your data after modeling your data, there is an important part. So for example, what I told you in early example, so that is
Mm-hmm.
how to means, for example, I ask you, just get me the data of last 6 months and which is day shift sales. So you will be creating calculated columns, calculated measures, changing data types and various functions to work with. So I'll give you the brief example. So Power BI has more than 200 plus functions which you can
Mm-hmm.
use to calculate various logics as per the business need. And Power BI is also, so if you can see here, types of data connection, import, connection, and live. So there are, Power BI supports more than 200 plus data sources. So you can connect, and that is keep adding. So for example, today we have 200. After 15 days or 3 months of update, Power BI will add more 10 to 15 data sources. So Power BI is most updated, you can say, BI tool in the market.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So you will get new
So,
features
sir,
every 3 months. Yeah, yeah.
uh, my big brother is working into the IT since I think since 12 years he's working he's working particularly SAP SAP. So
Yes,
sir, he told me, yeah, I just discussed about the Power BI with him. So he told me, sir, the artificial intelligence has influenced the much job market right these days nowadays and upcoming uh, job market will be influenced by the artificial intelligence. The many tools are there that artificial intelligence tools are there which are just preparing the dashboard quickly. So
yeah.
the job cut will be there. So, job cut will be there or not?
So I'll explain you. So AI is to help make your life easier. So for example, what if you'll do good research after this call. So in right now, in today's scenario, there is no AI tool which can make dashboards 100% as per their requirements. So I think will be no job cut. Just there will be some AI features that will make your life easier to calculate column or create visualization with text prompt. But for example, I'll explain you with the scenario. So for example, you are the CEO of the one of the leading e-commerce company, right?
Okay, yeah.
Right.
Mhm.
Yeah. And I am also, so for example, you are the CEO of Mintra and I am the CEO of Flipkart, right? So Mintra deals into fashion brand, right?
Mhm.
Flipkart deals with all segments of the market.
Mhm.
So, what is your requirement? So, your requirement will be what is the top selling fashion product? What are the highest selling cities, countries, or you can say states? Huh? But mm, so you will be revolving around the fashion segment. So you will be getting more. Uh, you need key insights of what is more
So
trending.
sir, what you are trying to just make me explain that the The data privacy, but with the
No. I'm not talking about data privacy. I'll just complete my sentence. So, for example, your requirement will revolve around your needs, and I am the CEO of Flipkart. My requirement will around all the segments. So your business need is different, your target audience is different, so you will be having different uh, business requirement. So for example, you will be more working into fashion industry, I will be working into more various segments, so phone, or you can say electronic segment. So my requirement is different, your requirement is different. So how one AI tool can define what is your requirement, what is my requirement? AI tool will help you to make dashboard easier, or more complex dashboard can be make in easier part. But
so if you just provide the uh,
yeah,
accurate prompt to that, that will just
that will be the upgradation.
help you
But
help you
yeah,
in the
but
getting.
complex calculations will be calculated by humans. So just because you have to provide something to AI as well to create dashboard, right?
Mhm.
So let's take example of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is providing prompt to you when you are typing or you are writing right prompt to ChatGPT,
Mhm. So I
right?
think, sir, the co-pilot has also been introduced in the Power BI,
Yeah,
like in the last week
yeah.
only. No?
But have you ever used Copilot?
Uh, no, sir, I haven't used.
So
Maybe
Copilot.
in the other software, so Microsoft I have used uh, in
So
the.
I used that. So Copilot is not yet uh, able to create at least simplest calculation of getting sales of last 3 months. So it's helpful to get top five products, these kinds of charts. But for example, I'll show you in this Adani dashboard. So if you can see, this calculator is created by creating logic. So for example, if you have invested 10,000 rupees in Adani stocks in last 3 months, so what will be your uh, key principal amount and what is the growth? So for example, if I will change to this to 5 lakh rupees, so what will be the your amount? So if you can change the duration as well, and what will be your growth amount? So this complex calculation, or for example, this turning this into various types of visualization. So I'll show you. So changing this to dark mode to light mode and various things. So that is not yet feasible in at least autopilot mode,
Mhm.
or you can say co.
Either in the chat GPT, sir. No?
No, I- in ChatGPT there is no possibility to create charts. So that is generative AI that will provide you textual data, how to
So
do it
on the premium version, you can prepare the dashboard also.
in ChatGPT.
Uh, yeah, yes, sir.
I need to check. So basically, for as far as my knowledge, there is no option in at least ChatGPT. So let's getting back to your question. So according to
Okay.
me, there will be job cuts in various uh, industry due to AI, but not 100% in any domain, in any field. So someone is there to at least give prompt to AI as well, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
So yeah, that is the major thing. At least we require for AI domain as well, or with to use AI.
A
Someone is
proper
behind
prompt must be there.
data.
So.
Yeah, and someone is there to feed data. What is the scenarios to at least AI as well? So how AI works? You give data to AI, and that AI has been trained on these complex types of data or scenarios, and later that AI gives you the prompt, or you can say the solution. So someone is there to feed data of that complexity, right?
Yes,
So
sir. Yes.
with this logic, you can self-analyze what the job cuts will be there and where will be the growth.
Okay, so there must be the Power BI developer in order to give the better prompt
Yeah,
to the generative AI, so we can
better
so
prompt,
the
better
company can understand
visualization.
the output.
Yeah,
So
might we get animations in future with dashboards. So you never know where the technology is evolving.
yeah, sir, nobody knows that. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So going back to our module, so sixth module is creating dashboards, choosing right charts. What are the key bookmark feature? How to get uh, external charts, or you can say charts from marketplace, and how
Mm-hmm.
to create visually appealing dashboards and custom filters, custom visuals, best practices of visualization. So, for example, in this dashboard, so how to choose right visualization. So, where I can use pie chart, where I can use line chart, where I can use bar chart. That is, there are some key rules to
Mm-hmm.
take care before creating a dashboard.
Mm-hmm.
So,
So
why we use,
sir, after that,
yeah,
I can, sir, I will go through the curriculum you have just shared with me. So, but sir, my question is,
yes, yes,
just a second, just a second. Give me just
yeah,
2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes, sir.
yeah, yeah.
Thank you. अभी टाइम पता नहीं है टाइम पता नहीं हेलो am I audible, sir? Hello.
Hello, yes,
Yes, sir. Yes. So
yeah, you are
yeah,
saying
you were
something.
saying something, sir. Sorry for the interruption, sir. There was some I had to attend.
No, you are saying something. So in between when I was explaining.
Uh, no, sir, you carry on, sir. Carry on.
Yeah.
And
So
if I
as I
get
explained,
remind, then I will just ask you.
yeah, in module six we will be going to learn how to choose right visualization. So where to show line chart, how to use scatter plot, and different types of visualization. So I'll show you into the dashboard as well. Yes. So this is the visualization pane, and you can choose this default charts as well. So this is stack bar chart, stack column chart, how to use map chart, field map chart, various categories of map chart, how to use gauge chart, and where to use gauge chart. So this all visualization techniques and best practices will be taught you in sixth module. And seventh module is Power BI service. So Power BI service is basically the platform where you can share. your dashboards to in between your team, or you can say your organization. So for example, you have created your dashboard, but someone is there to analyze your dashboard and take business decisions through data, or you can say the data driven decisions has been taken by someone. So for example, you have created one sales dashboard, and after that someone is responsible to take decisions via that dashboard. So that is shared via Power BI service, and various techniques are there. But Power BI service is the service which is provided to share your dashboard internally, or you can say within your organization. So, for example, someone is sitting in India can create dashboard, and that will be shared. Someone is sitting into US, and that will help to take them business decisions as per their needs. So, Power BI service, and Power BI service also offers various functions such as refreshing your data. So for example, you are having live data of sales. So for example, today is 19th, so what sales you have done on 19th Feb should be refreshed on 20th to update what sales you have 20th on 20th Feb. So that are the key part you, which comes under Power BI service. And after that, there will be project and case studies. So you will be getting projects, modules, case studies. So where which type of error you will get in case studies, or what type of data, how to get your proper data cleaning, or different types of domain, what is difference between sales data and what is difference between operations data. So key things to analyze before creating dashboards. And we'll be creating some interactive dashboards as your projects. And after that, we'll be sharing you some interview questions, which will help you to crack the interviews. And after that, this you'll be going through some more questions as well to practice, and creating your Naukri and LinkedIn profile, resume building, and how to explain your projects. So this is the overall module we are going to teach you. Apart from that, any questions from your end?
So what will be the duration of the program, sir?
So it will be 45 days.
45 days. And for each day, what the number of hours I have to, what will
Daily,
the class hours?
so it will be 7:30 to 8:30 daily, and
Okay,
that in first month, in first month you will be going to we will be going to train you with all the models, and last 15 days will be for the preparation. So for example, you have learned, so you have to get proper time as well to practice. So in last 15 days we will be only focusing on the practice, creating dashboards, and sub solving your live queries, or you can say on
okay,
practice
okay.
queries.
So my question, I was asking that if I, is the number of opportunities available, sir, for the fresher in the, for the freshers in the
Sorry,
market?
sorry,
For
your
the,
voice has been is not clear.
hello? Am I audible, sir? Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, what is the present job scenario, sir, for the freshers in the market right now? Or
Sorry,
I have to go with the experience.
your voice is not clear. Can you repeat?
Hello? Hello?
Yeah,
Am I
yes,
audible, sir?
yeah.
Sir,
Now you are audible.
yeah, okay. So, sir, what is the present job scenario for the fresher in the market right now? Or I have to go with the experience? What is that?
So that part is more better explained by our team, so that they will explain you more better. So who will be sharing you the curriculum? That guy will be explaining you more better about that. Just because they will be helping you into getting jobs and how to apply.
Okay, okay. So,
Yeah.
sir, if I just go, if I just want to go with the as a fresher, so May I go with that, or I have to like I just don't know the your point of view, sir, on that.
So there are both the ways are right, but what is preferred, that will be explained you by our, you can say, placement team or our team which is helping you to get these classes as.
Okay. So,
So
sir,
you can go
will
with
that not be
way.
wrong, sir, if I just go with the experience?
So that depends on the organization. So what is the requirement? So if you are getting the requirement with as a fresher, you can go with that. If you're getting the job options with the experience, that will be the fine. So ultimate goal is to getting into the jobs via this training. So that should be the our goal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay. Uh,
Any more questions, Rajat?
so, so whatever I had in my mind, I have asked in the class.
Yeah.
If
If you
I
have
would have
any
any
query,
questions, I
yeah,
will
I'll.
definitely. You can just provide me your
Yeah. So
number.
the team will reach out to you, and they will have your number, your email ID. So team will reach out to you. If you have any
Mhm.
questions, you can ask them. They will reach out to me, and I'll update you. So
If
classes
I do
timing will
have a
be the
question
seven.
concerned with the class,
Sorry.
so can I go to you? If I do have the questions concerned with the class, so will you please share the number so I can just have the queries on that?
Yeah, yeah. So while you have joined this session, so you have entered your name, your phone number, your email. So our team will get back to you soon, immediately after this call. And the
Okay.
key things will be shared you via WhatsApp.
Okay.
So no
Okay.
worry about that. I'll again repeat, the classes timing will be the 7:30 to 8:30 daily, same time,
Mhm. Mhm.
and we will be learning this. So you can ask for the module and curriculum, and you will be go through that. You can go through that, and you can just join our classes, and we can learn together.
What is the what is the course fee, sir?
So that will be again, the person will be reaching out to you with the
Okay.
prospect of the class. Will be sharing with you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So no, if you have any questions, you can ask. So if not, we can sum up this session.
Mhm.
So you don't have any more questions?
No, sir, I don't have right now. I don't have any question.
Okay. Okay, sure. So thank you for the joining, Rajat and Anbia. So I'll
Thanks
be
for your time,
summing
sir.
this session. Yeah, summing this session, and our team will get back to you soon after this
Okay.
session.
Okay.
Thanks for the joining. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You can drop this call, Rajat.